Before you say anything. Hello guys, today we're in emergency response and I got my friend Thomas and Puppy Oscar 2018. We are gonna be doing some patrolling and probably tasing some people.
Or shooting them.
Or shooting. So this is Puppy Oscar. Puppy Oscar, say hi.
Hi.
Thomas, say hi.
Hello.
So I would like you guys to sub and like. So we're gonna be going as a pair. Puppy Oscar by himself and me and Thomas together. Oh my god, like.
That's not fair.
Yo, get in, Thomas.
Oh, sorry. I was sending a bunch of stuff into chat.
What are you doing? Wrong car!
What?
I'm over here! I'm the Dodge Charger! Okay, so we're gonna go see what's... We're gonna go patrol. Apparently there's a jewelry robbery. Jeweler store robbery. I can't even hear my sound. Okay, give me a second. AK, you go. Go to the jewelry store.
I need to go to the gas station. Ooh! Wrong button.
Okay, that's a little loud. Let me fix the settings, guys.
This is loud.
I know. Apparently there's a jewelry store robbery. Need backup at police station, okay. Oh my god, I just hit something, what the flip? Sorry guys if the game's laggy, there's like 50 million people on here. Oh god, what the hell? It just got hit. Okay.
I'm back in the lobby.
What?
I'm in my lobby again. There.
Can you hear us? Oh, okay, I'm stuck. Guys, we just flipped over.
No, we just flipped over. We're gonna die. You're welcome. You're welcome. What do you mean?
Did you just drag him? Who's the most wanted right now?
Hello?
Hello?
Your chat. That's what I just said. I can't even hear him.
Who's the most wanted right now?
There. Who wants to see some expecting? Okay, checking on Yusan. The DTR.
Yo, this car's hitting me. AK.
Who's playing it? Okay. We're all checking on Nissan GTR Blue.
Oh, I see it!
Where'd it go?
It went straight! Yo, Thomas, request for backup.
What?
Request for backup. Yo, he's right there. Oh god, I'm gonna hit him. Yo, go, take, shoot stars. Get in. Go. Oh yeah, I'm lagging. Okay, guys, split.
He's a terrible driver.
Yeah, I'm at the fire department.
Then you got Rocket League. Who has Rocket League?
None of us are playing Rocket League. Oh, I see him!
He had me in the car.
Oh god.
Oh no!
Yo! Request for backup! We have one of our officers in the car, guys. Yeet! Oh, I can't.
Is that like a...
Yo, what the flip?
We're talking about Janana.
Where did you go, like? Puppy Oscar. Oh, yo, I got him, what the flip? Get your skinny butt back here.
I'm better something.
My car's on fire, my car's on fire, my car's on fire. Ah! No. There's a SWAT member. Oh, yo, he's going this way. No, not for the tunnel, please.
Now.
Okay, go. Taser. Get back here, bro. Get back here. Oh, yeah, 7. Ah, 7. Handcuff him. 7, handcuff him.
I want to.
Yo, what the hell? Puppy Oscar never gets the handcuff anything. Yo, he's standing there. What the flip? It's somebody handcuff him. Girl, handcuff him. Yo, get tasers, man. Get down on the guard, bro. Get down. Yo, Thomas, where are you? Thomas, where are you?
Alright, my internet's being... The van is hitting me.
Oh, I can really... Dude, pull over. I gave a shot at it. Dude.
Oh, crap.
I'm gonna give him a citation. 6. See. I can't. Oh my god, really? Oh my god, seriously. Ah! Oh my god. Yo, guys, I got stuck in the screen again.
My god.
Where is everybody?
Hello?
Yeah.
I have no car.
I have a car. Thomas, where are you?
Wait,
Pu
hey.
Puppy Oscar, get in! Thomas, where are you?
In this guy's car. Oh, yes, Daddy.
Oh my god, what the hell? That can't be put on video?
What?
That can't be put on video?
I want to see your boobs. Send me.
Dude, I'm gonna get in trouble!
Send me. I want to see your boobs.
Yeah!
I hear it too, man.
What the hell? Who's doing it? Oh my god, I'm lagging. Ah!
I'm out of ammo.
I'm out of ammo too. Yo, where are you?
Reloading.
Thomas,
Dude,
where are you?
I'm in like, I don't even know.
Request for backup and we'll find you.
Yeah, I might as well.
Oh my god, Thomas, it is you.
What?
That is you that's doing that.
Doing what?
Making that noises.
What noise?
That noise!
What noise?
It's literally you! Oh my god, dude, stop.
Police station. Or Department of Japan.
Okay, is the guy? Are you in a red Crown Vic?
Meet up at the gas station.
Where are you? Are you getting chased by a bunch of police officers?
No.
No. Thomas, are you getting...
I see the bird.
You see it?
I'm in a... Oh, wait. Is this you?
Where?
Yes.
Oh my god, is that you? No.
I have...
Dude, you're lagging out the car. You're lagging out the car with those things.
Sorry.
Where,
I didn't
where,
mean to.
where's the... Where are you?
I'm with, AK.
AK, where are you? Oh, are you hiding in the DOT building again? AK, where are you? AK! Oh god! Request for backup! Yo, go! Back up! Where is he? Yo, he's on the run! Go! Yo, you're lagging out the call. Yo, he's hiding in the bush! Yo, I need backup help! Holy shit! No, screw this! I'm going out! Hit! Ah!
Just sell my car. Yeah. You want to go get your car? Get us a new car because this thing's about to go up in flames.
Yo, I need backup! Where are you, noobs?
You're a noob. Our car will not survive another bullet shot.
Where are you?
Help me recommend the video.
Where did this guy go? I'm not playing Ring Around the Rosy. What
Yes, Daddy.
Dude, come on, seriously? Oh, come on, not now! There's a guy in this area. Oh, come on, let me in. What the hell? Oh god, there's a bad guy in this car! Stop trying to run me over. Where are you guys?
Where you guys now? Near the bank.
I'm gonna have to go get a new car.
That's why I'm with the boy.
Where are you, Thomas White?
This other guy.
With AK? Are you guys right there? Oh my god, your car is like... Oh, your car's on fire!
Jesus.
I'm calling the local fire department. You guys need medical help. Move it. Get in here, Thomas White. Get your gun. Make sure of your ammo. Get in. Everybody just get in. There we go. Most wanted, go.
Most wanted. Oh, wanted.
Oh god, oh god, oh, we just, oh my god, truck. Citizen spawn point. Oh, somebody's shooting. Yo, get out. Shoot this man.
With the car.
Oh, he's a cop?
What? What was that?
Like, yo, this guy have a cop car. Someone get the man out. Oh, we have a set. Oh, yo. Thomas! Grab the tasers!
I don't
And the
have a
gun.
taser.
Grab a gun! What?
Where we trying to shoot?
Give me a second. Find these. Just chase after these guys. Guys shooting! You shot a cop! Give me a second. I'll be right back, everybody. I have to go to the Tinkletorium. Somebody protect me! I have a taser! I'm the best cop here! Yo, homies, I'm back!
He left.
Who?
Nigga.
What the hell? No. Where are we? Where's my car? Has anybody shot yet? Oh, are we trying to stop this car? Get back here, bro! Get back here! Get back here! Just really wait for me! Heat. Come on, reload! Somebody shoot his tires! Okay, where's my car at? Is this my car? You're in it? Let's go! Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Okay, guys, we're going after the blue sedan. Or Corvette, I meant. Oh, poop, we're almost out of gas. What's going on here? What the hell's going on here? Ah! The car, call it the fire department. But I have no gas. It's more important, car or gas? Call or gas? I think gas.
The hell, man?
No, I don't want to get back in my car. I won't buy gas.
5 minutes, dude.
Okay. We have 2 more minutes on this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Oh my god, how near house is this? Oh my god! Did you just see that? Oh, here, Spell.
Like that.
House subdivision! Go, go, go! Move, car! Move! Oh my god, screw you. Screw you. Screw you. I'm going to house subdivision. An ATM robbery? I think there's an ATM robbery! I honestly think that's an ATM robbery. Yeah, in the jewelry store? Yo, there's a car here! Yo, he's running! He's running! Yo, request backup! Request backup! Yo, request backup! Okay, stop in the name of the law. Go! 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 Don't shoot his tires out. Stop. Running. I am giving you
I'm
a
not, you idiot.
fine. I'm giving him a fine because, like, he's, like, being rude and that. Excuse me! Excuse me, I'm gonna give him a fine. I'll both give him fines. Fine. You can't find this player.
Stupid.
Warning. I'll just give him a warning.
I did too.
Oh, yo, hospital. Near hospital. What do you mean near hospital? Did you just... Get in! Did he just... Yo, did he just call us pigs? Yo, he literally just called us a pig.
Did he?
Yeah, he just called us a pig.
Run him over.
I'll run him over. Gladly. Get back here. Run him over. I got my bull bar up against him. Move.
He said, "Can you stop?" And I said no.
What are you? He's not even an admin. Okay, no, let's fight this game. I'm gonna help in this.
You gonna get fired? No.
I am a high...
You're shooting your tires.
higher rank. Oh! What the hell? Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh god. Guys, I have to end the video here. Like and subscribe. Bye. Peace. You just died, didn't you?